just got these in. This is going to be a look at, and then I'm not going to show you how I'm going to use them. Oh, maybe I'll show you a couple of shots if I'm going to use them. I was surprised that my family and I recently found a place that we can go and do some stretching and working out on a hardwood floor. And we decided to get some knee pads to help us during our exercises. And I couldn't find any of my old knee pads. I lived and breathed knee pads, especially back in the day, in that, I was always doing some kind of sport, dance, something back, maybe 10, 20 years ago that required you to wear knee pads. And I was surprised. I don't know where any of my knee pads are. So I just purchased these. I haven't purchased knee pads since, wow. I used to go to, I think it was called, oh man, I'm going to probably get the name wrong. There was a sports store off of Essex Street in the Lower East Side called, I believe it was called Moe's Sports. I think it was on the top second floor. And everybody from the neighborhood would get all their sports supplies there. This is before the big, before Amazon and all the other sports stores kind of took over and those small mom and pop stores went out of business. But if you lived in the Lower East Side, the sports store on the second floor off of Essex, across the street from Seward Park High School, or across the street from the Essex movie theater, if you remember that. If you know the name, can you put it down below? And I'll put it in the description because I completely forgot the name. I think it was called Moe's, but I'm not sure. It was next to a pizza shop that everybody would go to play the pinball machine. So it's a set of, what is this? 6 knee pads. And something else. And they're an Amazon basic brand. And again, I mean, they are knee pads. They're gonna wear. I'm just gonna see how comfortable they are. And you can use these for doing work around the home if you're kneeling down, screwing things in. So they come in handy, and it was very low price. The price for the set was $40. Which comes out to, I'm gonna butcher the math, probably about $6.50 a pair. If that's $6.50 a pair, that's $3.25 each. So I took one apart, empty. It comes apart over here. I guess you could use it as a glove. And this is the inside. It's a thick foam. Let's measure it so you get an idea of what you're getting. From top to bottom. And from left to right. And the thickness. Let's do it from the 1 inch. It's better. About ½ inch. Seems pretty strong. Should do the job. So let's go use them for what we're using them for. And I'll get back to you and let you know how they work. So basically it's going to just be my view on them after using them with my family. I almost forgot to, before I do that, it has a strap. You put it over to hold it in place. I wish it would have had the, on the old knee pads, you slipped them on. So it had a, sort of like a sock-like area here. And you slid them on so it stood stable. So I don't know how well these are going to work with the Velcro. So that's another thing I'm going to have to look at to see if they stay in place on your knee while you have them on the Velcro. So I guess this is the top part. This would be your knee area. And this would go tightly on the bottom. I don't see why they shouldn't stay. I just, again, like the old version because, well, they used to wear and tear after a while, but it took a long time of use for that to happen. So we'll see how these last with the Velcro. Well, I won't be able to finish letting you know, because I'm sure these are not going to wear while I try them out for a couple of days. But I'll let you know how it feels with them on, with the Velcro. We used this the other, was it the other day? Yesterday.
The day before yesterday?
Day before yesterday. We used it at the dance area. You know, for our knee exercises. We were doing knee spins, trying to keep steady and straight and leveled. We all were wearing them, my son and my wife, and I'm gonna ask them how they felt. Let me just give you my view on it, then you guys can, you know, add, delete, or tell me your own personal thoughts. So, as a person who lived and breathed knee pads back in the day, I thought I was gonna find it awkward. I don't know if you remember, the knee pads used to have like a sock type of complete cover over here where you slip them on, and they were like stuck to your knee. I never had an issue with those at all. I know that they wear and tear, but they take a really long time to wear and tear. So I was concerned in using these with these Velcro straps, thinking they may not hold well, but I was pleasantly surprised. One of the things with this is that since you have the strap all the way down here, this part comes all the way up, really covering your knee area. It also allows your knee to breathe. So there's no sweating, no heat, no discomfort, because the air gets in easier. And once I put them on, there was no adjusting them. Back in the day, even with the ones that completely covered, there were certain times I was doing a move and I would literally have to pull up the sock after I pulled it up like a sock after I finished with them. You know, I always was adjusting them, and if you wore knee pads, you know what I mean. I didn't need to do that with these. I put them on and they were comfortable, and when I put my knee down to the ground, I knew this was covering it. So I was pleasantly impressed with this type of new knee pad. How it will hold in the future, hopefully it will. But for now, so far, my first run with them, no issues. They actually work very well, even better than the old ones. Just my view. Doesn't mean that it's true. It's just the way I feel about them. And I've used knee pads my whole life for for all kinds of stuff. For dancing, for boxing, for break dancing, for modern dance, for gymnastics, for sports. I use them all the time. Okay, I'm done. What did you think, honey, when you used them?
So I'm used to seeing knee pads being as very thick and bulky. I don't have any experience ever actually wearing knee pads for anything. Perhaps I may have tried one on because I knew someone who used to install tiles, so they had to wear knee pads to do so. And I remember the professional knee pads are very thick and bulky.
They have that plastic in the front of them,
and so that doesn't allow you for flexibility. I think in movement of the knee. These were different. So these are very light. Again, never used them for professional use or anything, but for what we were doing, I was doing modified push-ups. They were great. Anytime that I need to have my knee on the floor, just that extra padding was very beneficial. And like you were stating, it wasn't moving at all. It was very easy to put on and comfortable to keep on, and I didn't have to adjust it.
Yeah, you didn't feel. Do you know what I mean? But you ever see the people playing sports? They're always pulling up on their knee pads. I know I was always doing that.
I don't remember that.
You don't remember? I used to have red knee pads. I had those for must have been 10 years. The same red knee pads from back in the day. Son, what did you think about them?
They're okay. I'm not a big fan of knee pads because they never seem to fit right. They always seem to slip off after a while. I felt that with these a little bit.
You did?
A little bit. I gotta get a good pair.
Just in general, knee pads I've always felt like they start to slip off on you at the front. They feel kind of uncomfortable. They just feel like they're sitting there. They don't feel like they're like secure to you.
But were these comfortable at all?
They were comfortable, but they didn't feel secure.
Okay. All right, so that was the end of the review for all of us. I hope that it was helpful. I hope you liked it, and I hope it was informative. Thank you. Bye.
Amazon commercial washable knee pads 8 in gray 6 pair pack dance yard work gardening construction, November 25, 2020. Cost, $40.99. Purchased on Amazon's website. Brand Amazon commercial size 1 size color gray material polyester item Dimensions LxWxH 6 by 8 by 4 inches. About this item: washable knee pads, 6 pairs, gray, designed to withstand heavy duty use at home or on the job. Helps protect knees when kneeling on tile, wood, carpet, and other surfaces. Simple to clean polyester cloth exterior, soft foam interior for cushioning comfort. Easily adjustable for a tight, secure fit, one size fits all. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Measures 8 inches, backed by an Amazon commercial 1-year limited warranty. Amazon commercial knee pads. Washable knee pads suitable for indoor or outdoor use. These washable knee pads help protect knees when kneeling on tile, wood, carpet, and other surfaces. Polyester with foam interior. The knee pads provide a washable polyester cloth exterior for easy cleaning and a soft foam interior for cushioning comfort. Secure, adjustable fit. The knee pads can be easily adjusted as needed to ensure a secure, stay-in-place fit, one size fits all. Long-lasting performance. Built to withstand heavy-duty use at home or on the job, the knee pads can last for up to 2 years before needing to be replaced. Questions: are these comfortable? Yes, these knee pads have a polyester cloth outside, a soft foam inside for knee comfort, and are easy to wash. What size should I order? These are all one size fits all. What is the life cycle of this product? When should it be replaced? This depends on the application they are being used for and the care and maintenance performed by the user. Without too much wear and tear, these can be used for up to 2 years. Product description: configuration: 6 pairs. An Amazon brand. Product details: configuration: 6 pairs. Product dimensions: 6 by 8 by 4 inches, 2.88 ounces. Item model number: P26313. Date first available: July 8, 2020. Manufacturer: Amazon. Commercial: ASIN, B07ZDF5851. Product specifications: color gray, EN 08400958304661. Item weight: 2.88 ounces. Material: polyester. Model number: P26313. Part number: P26313. Size: 1 size. UPC 840,095,830,461. Specification for this product family: brand name Amazon. Commercial. Model number: P26311P. UNSPS code 46 million.